Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Whether it's sitting on a chair or on the floor. Keep your eyes open with a soft focus, aware of the space around you. Begin by taking a couple of deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Feel your chest expand as you breathe in and notice how your body softens with each exhale. Now, gently close your eyelids and become aware of the weight of your body pressing against the chair or the floor. Feel the sensation of your feet resting on the ground and your hands resting on your legs or in your lap. Bring your attention into your body and start to notice any sounds in your surroundings. Instead of seeing external sounds as distractions, we'll use them for a short period. Take 10 or 20 seconds to simply observe all the different sounds around you. Once you've done that, shift your focus back to your body. Begin to scan your body from the top of your head down to your toes. Notice any areas that feel tight or tense, as well as areas that feel relaxed. Without judgment or the need to change anything, simply build a picture of how your body feels. As you scan down, you may start to notice the rising and falling sensation created by your breath. Pay attention to where in your body you feel this movement most prominently. It could be in your stomach, diaphragm, chest, or even your shoulders. Allow your body to breathe naturally without trying to control it. Become more aware of the rhythm, length, and depth of your breaths. To help maintain your focus on the breath, silently count each breath as it passes. Start with 1 on the rising sensation, 2 on the falling sensation, and continue up to a count of 10. Once you reach 10, start again at 1. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the breath and continue counting. It's normal for thoughts to arise, but simply acknowledge them and return to the breath. Now, for a moment, release any focus and let your mind do whatever it wants. If it wants to think or be busy, allow it without any effort or control. Afterward, bring your attention back to the body and become aware of the physical sensations once again. Feel the contact with the chair or floor. The touch of your feet on the ground, and your hands and arms on your legs. Notice the sounds around you. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a stretch if desired. Sit back in the chair and reflect on how you feel after taking a few minutes for yourself. It's okay if thoughts are still present, this is normal. Before moving on with your day, take a moment to appreciate the sense of calm and relaxation you've experienced.